Over the last 3 years, McGraw-Hill has been meeting with instructors to learn more about your Introduction to Engineering course. During that time, we learned about the following challenges instructors are facing. Finding affordable, quality content aligned to your unique course objectives in one place. Having limited time to develop and grade homework. Providing students with enough practice solving problems. Helping students with learning loss get up to speed at the start of the semester. Ensuring students read the text before coming to class. Engaging students and helping students learn to write technical documents. Based on instructor feedback, McGraw-Hill built a solution to address these challenges. The Basic Engineering Series and Tools Collection, also known as the BEST Collection, is content aligned to your unique Introduction to Engineering course objectives. The materials are designed to orient beginning engineering students to the profession of engineering and teach students the fundamental skills and tools they'll need in their academic and professional careers. With the BEST Collection, instructors can select the topic from these series that align to their unique course objectives. Available via Connect, McGraw-Hill's online homework system, the BEST Collection contains textbook content as well as assignments to help address key course challenges. Connect integrates with most LMSs, providing single sign-on, deep linking, and grade syncing, so you and your students can finally have all of the content you need for the Intro to Engineering course in one place. The content is grouped by topic into 3 volumes of ebooks. Let's take a closer look at the titles and topics within each volume of the BEST Collection. The content is grouped by theme, aligned to these 7 McGraw-Hill titles that span these 20 topics. Now, let's look at the content from within the ebook. So let's say we want to look at some of the design concepts material. We'll open up the Engineering Fundamentals ebook in Connect. So within my Connect homepage, I'll go to the Volume 2 ebook and hit the Launch button. Next, I'll click on the Table of Contents. And within this, we'll go ahead and scroll down to the 80 textbook. Within this, I'm going to go to Chapter 3, Introduction to Engineering Design, and click on the Introduction section. While we're here, let's look at some of the functionality in the ebook. So students can use the arrows on the top to scroll between pages. They can use the search bar to search through terms throughout the textbook. So let's say I want to take a look at the grand challenges in relation to design. And go ahead and type in grand challenges and quickly jump to the section that talks about the engineering grand challenges that the National Academy of Engineering has identified and how that relates to design opportunities and challenges of the future. Additionally, students can highlight and take notes. So let's say this is something that I want to mark to come back to. I can simply highlight it with my cursor and then choose to highlight it and select my preferred color, and that note is now saved. Students can also take notes. So let's say I want to make a note based off of a discussion that I had with my instructor. I simply highlight the text, the bar will pop up, and I can click on Add Note. And in this case, I'm going to say, tie semester project back to one of these grand challenges. And at any point, the student can always go back to these. So if I click on my table of contents, here you can see I can quickly jump to any highlights that I made, as well as any notes, and it allows me to print them from these sources as well. The other functionality that students appreciate is that they can have the text read aloud to them.
The world continues to undergo rapid and sometimes tumultuous change. As a practicing engineer, you will occupy center stage in many of these changes in the near future and will become even more involved in the more distant future.
Students tell us that they appreciate this, especially students that might be working in the gig economy. So if they're driving for Lyft or Uber and want to listen to their textbook and brush up in between rides, this is a great way to do so because the text is actually available offline and on mobile, so students can always study on the go. So now that we return to the Connect homepage, you can see from the dashboard, not only am I going to get quick stats in terms of how my students perform, so I can see if there was an assignment they had trouble with or something I want to take a closer look at and how much progress they've made. I have the ability to add assignments based on my course needs. I know that based on the goal you're trying to accomplish with your students, there's assessment to back that up. So with the BEST collection, you have everything you need in a flexible format at an affordable price with content, assessment, and reporting.